Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to activate a Coming Soon page in WordPress. First, understand that a Coming Soon page is a temporary placeholder for your website, letting visitors know your site is under construction. It's a fantastic way to build excitement, gather early interest, and even collect email addresses from potential customers. This also keeps search engines from indexing an incomplete site, ensuring a professional first impression when you officially launch. Next, you'll need to select a reliable Coming Soon plugin. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, and then Add New. Search for terms like Coming Soon or Maintenance Mode. You'll find excellent choices such as Seed Prod or WP Maintenance Mode. Once you've picked one, click Install Now and then Activate. This step is crucial as it enables the plugin's features for your website. Now, let's configure your Coming Soon page. After activating the plugin, you'll typically find its settings under a new menu item in your WordPress dashboard. The first thing to do is enable the Coming Soon or Maintenance Mode status. Then, dive into customizing the page's look and feel. Upload your logo, choose your brand colors, and craft a captivating headline with a short, engaging message for your visitors. Finally, let's refine your Coming Soon page and make it live. Consider adding a countdown timer to build excitement for your launch. Integrating an email subscription form is also highly recommended to capture valuable leads. Many plugins allow you to set a custom background image or even a video. Always preview your page to ensure everything looks perfect. Once satisfied, save your changes, and your professional Coming Soon page will be active.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.